said I'm badly damaged, tracing every crack you've known. Tried to butter someone up just to not feel so alone. Every mirror felt like judgment, every compliment alone. But the strength you kept pretending, it was yours all along. Go bananas, laugh at all the doubts that held you down. Stand up, stand up. You don't have to wait for someone's crown. You can fall, then back up, back up. Turn a whisper to a song. You've been chasing something magic, but it's been you all along. You stacked every small rejection like a tower built of blame. Let the noise define your value, let the shame rename your name. Now you're tired of asking softly for a seat where you belong. Walk right in, no sugarcoating, you were worthy all along. Go bananas, laugh at all the doubts that held you down. Stand up, stand up. You don't have to wait for someone's crown. You can fall, then back up, back up. Turn a whisper to a song. You've been chasing something magic, but it's been you all along. So when the old tape plays back, saying you're too much to fix, let it crack, let it fade. It was never built for this. Every scar that looked like ending is a map that keeps you strong. You are more than what got broken. You've been shining all along. Go bananas, laugh at all the doubts that held you down. Stand up, stand up. You don't have to wait for someone's crown. You can fall, then back up, back up. Turn a whisper to a song. You've been chasing something magic, but it's been you